Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this classic brown smoky eye look. This is the look that I like to wear most of the times. So without further ado, let's get started. The first and the most important step is to moisturize your face. For that, I'm going to use Wow's Apple Cider Vinegar Face Moisturizer. This is a very nice moisturizer. It properly moisturizes your face and this is a good moisturizer to wear underneath your makeup. Now to prime my face, I'm going to use PAX Pore Primer. I'll apply it on the areas where I get oily, mostly my T-zone and my chin area. To conceal my dark circles and my acne scars and spots, I'm going to use LA Girls Pro Conceal in shade Pure Beige. This shade has a little bit of orange color to it, which helps me to minimize the redness of the acne. I'll properly blend my concealer. For foundation, I'll be using one of my favorite foundations, which is Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation in shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm not going to use too much of this foundation. I'm just going to put 5 dots all over my face and then blend it out. Don't rush and properly blend the foundation. Next, to highlight my under eyes, I'll be using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in shade Sand. I'm just going to put little bit of this concealer under my eyes and then blend it out properly. To set my base, I'll be using Airspun's loose powder. I'm going to use the damp beauty blender to set my face using this loose powder. Now I'm contouring my face using my Wet n Wild's contour palette. This palette is so good and the formula is amazing. I have already purchased a new one because this is getting finished. For blush, I'll be using my e.l.f.'s blush palette. This palette is so pigmented, you just have to take little bit of the amount and later on if you need you can build it up. To fill my eyebrows, I'm using Maybelline's Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in shade Dark Brown. This pencil is very good, the formula is amazing and most importantly, it is a very affordable product. Now to clean my brows, I'm using the same Maybelline concealer. for eyes, I'll be using my Faces Canada Kajal. I'm going to apply this Kajal on my lid. You don't need to be precise with this. You just need to apply the Kajal and smudge it out with a flat brush. I'm going to take this Blue Heaven eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to take the brown shade from this palette and blend it out with the Kajal to give that smoky effect. Now to complete my eyes, I'm using this Maybelline's Colossal Mascara. I'm not applying any falsies for this look. For highlighter, I'm using e.l.f.'s Baked Highlighter in shade Moonlight Pearls. This highlighter is very blinding and it looks really good. To line my lips, I'm using Maybelline's lip liner in shade Rich Chocolate. The formula of this lip liner is very creamy. For lipstick, I'm using Wet n Wild's Catsuit Matte Lipstick in shade Give Me Mocha. This shade is so beautiful and the formula is really amazing and very long lasting. To set my entire face, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. This is the final look and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do like this video, make sure you leave it a like. If you have not subscribed already, then please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.